Do you want to become all-powerful? Me too. Unfortunately, that's pretty difficult in real life. Luckily, we can do it in Minecraft with mods instead. Before we ascend to a higher plane of consciousness, we should learn the basics. Let's add an item. First, we make a function called register mod items, which we call here. All this does is run any code in the function on startup. Now we make a helper function called register items, which is helpful for registering items. It's helpful because we can use it to help make an item instead of repeating code. Now, if you're following the tutorial I am, you'll probably realize that this function doesn't work in 1.21.4, so I made this instead. By made, I mean I stole it from Reddit without knowing what it does. I believe programmers call this bad practice or dangerous, but I trust this guy. Now we call the helper function with our item name and do this in the register mod items function to add the item to the creative menu. Finally, we have to add some JSON files to make the item model appear. Under this folder, we need to add new folders called items, lang, models, and textures. In lang, we create this file to specify item names, like this. Next, in textures, we add a folder called item, then we add the texture PNG with the item name. In items, we then add this JSON, also with the item name. Next, in models, we add a folder called item with a JSON file with the item name with this code. Very cool.